Today we're going to be talking about how you guys can make $700 a week making YouTube videos without even ever creating them. We're going to be re-uploading them. Alright, number one, we're going to be using Creative Commons on YouTube. The reason why you want to be using Creative Commons is because all the content in that tab of YouTube is free to be re-uploaded, chopped up, edited, whatever you want to do with it. You can actually download it and YouTube will let you, and you won't get any copyright infringement. Nothing bad's going to happen to your channel. You won't get any channel strikes. You won't get banned. Just make sure it's in the Creative Commons so that way it's free to be reused. Hey guys, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's right down there below. Make sure to check out some of my other work. I have some other videos to help you guys make so much more money online. So with that said, let's jump right into it. Since you're going to be creating your own videos, you don't need to use any special equipment. You don't need to buy a camera. You don't have to worry about lighting. You don't have to do any of that. All you guys got to do is just download the video and then use a free editing software like iMovie, and you can just start creating these new cuts of videos for yourself. You guys want to make sure to stick till the end because I'm going to be reviewing the critical mistake a lot of YouTubers make when they're trying to make views, make money by re-uploading content. The strategy that we're going to be utilizing is this. We're going to be making top 10 videos or trending videos, top 10 fitness videos, top 10 exercises to lose belly fat, top 10 trains, top 10 fastest trains. The reason why we want to make top 10 videos is because the whole purpose for this strategy to work, we're going to be creating viral content. So one of the most viral content out there is these top 10 videos, and there are two incredibly awesome things about them. First one, the content is very simple to make, and there's a ton of different content that you can already download from Creative Commons that have top 10 from years of videos. There's tons of content already on Creative Commons from different top 10 genres, and you could just download them and just repurpose them for yourself. Number two, it's going to be that these types of videos naturally get millions and millions of views. When we look up, I was actually recently looking up top 10 videos for an example for this video, and the one that I saw was top 10 fastest trains in the world. The video was only 6 minutes long, 6 minutes and some change, and that video got over 40 million views. So you guys are probably saying, okay, Stefano, that's awesome, that's great. Even if I make a video and let's say it only gets like 1 million views, these top 10 videos go super viral. So let's say you don't even get anywhere near that. Let's say you only make 500,000 views on one of your re-uploaded top 10 videos. Then how am I ever going to make money from that? That's a great thing. When looking up this strategy, I found that Business Insider says that the average CPM for any YouTuber is generally around $3. So in English, it's pretty much that every 1,000 views that you get on a video, YouTube will pay you $3 per 1,000 views. So if we're making a whole bunch of top 10 videos, already knowing that there are many of them that are going to go viral or have close to viral growth, then we can get thousands upon thousands of views, and those views stack up, and then that $3 is going to build up very, very quick. Now let's look for numbers. Let's say we upload a video about top 10 furniture items to have in your house, and that video got 1 million views. Then that's gonna net you $3,000 US, and that video is going to be on YouTube forever, and it will continue to grow. And guys, that's $3,000 profit. And guys, remember that that's just using the $3 CPM, and that's only the average. That's pretty much the bare minimum. So if your videos get even more viewership, that means that you could possibly make even more than 3,000. 3,000 is the bare minimum you make just by re-uploading a video. How do I start? Let me tell you this. So if you want to start downloading these types of videos, all you guys got to do is go to the Creative Commons section, find the kind of videos that you can use content for when you're going to re-upload your own version of it. The key is to make sure on the top left corner, whenever you search up a certain genre of top 10 videos, go to the filter and then click on it, and then you're going to find a whole bunch of different tabs and search for Creative Commons, and then click that as well. And then all the videos that pop up after, those are all free to be re-downloaded and re-uploaded at your discretion. This is the critical mistake that I don't want any of you guys to make when using this strategy to make yourself a ton of profit. You guys do not want to just download a video and then re-upload it, because that's not going to get you that many more views. It might get you some, but it's not really going to give you that growth that you want to see. The key to making it work is that you need to change the title, download the video, and even better is download 3-4 other similar videos that you can cut apart and then paste together a montage of the best highlights and then create your own video using all those different pieces. It'll take a little bit more work, but it will be a better video at the end that will get you more views, which is what we're after. You want to do the last two things. Make a very good thumbnail that's enticing, and the best way to make a good thumbnail is look at the genre that you're trying to get viral in, and then just make a model of the top 3 ranking videos and use their thumbnail as a model for your own, and then just make it similar colors, then change the colors a little bit but use the same structure and formatting and the types of the items that they have in their thumbnail, and then have an enticing title. And again, we're gonna model them off of the ones that are doing the best in our genre we're trying to upload a video and get viral in. You know I love you guys so much, so let me give you the best niches right now so you can go and find those YouTube videos and use this strategy. The one you want to use this for are fitness. You want to use conspiracy videos, you want to use sports highlights, gaming, and what we can also do is go to the YouTube trending page and look at the kind of videos that people are searching up. So the moment we do that, we can cut up all the different pieces that are out there and we can create an even more viral, even more searched type of video. I'm reducing the guessing game even more for you guys so I can give you the best chance of having success with this strategy. Bonus tips: when creating the good thumbnail, you guys can use Canva and or PicMonkey to help you create that. PicMonkey costs a little bit, but Canva is completely free, and you can use those softwares to create a good enough thumbnail to where you can start raking the views. Another recommendation that I'm going to be using pretty soon is going onto Fiverr and getting a freelance designer. I would ask between 5 to 15 different designers for the same kind of thumbnail that you're trying to get, and then choose the best one out of those 15. I guarantee you're going to find at least one of the designers who's going to make that winning thumbnail that you're going to want to put up for your YouTube video. So with that said, guys, I hope you liked this video. Make sure to
smash that like button, comment down $700 per week,
hit that subscribe button, and hit the bell notification icon so that way every time I make a new video, you guys are aware. With that said, I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out, my dudes.